right, it's Christmas Eve. Got the family out here. What's up, guys? And I wanted to share with you one of my rituals that I'm adding into my routine here. I don't know if you heard the saying, your network is your net worth. And I've had a chance to build a lot of relationships going through these different conferences, and it's been amazing. It's been an amazing journey meeting different people from real estate, different owners, entrepreneurs, different people who do so many different things, crypto to marketing. I mean, it's just been great to expand my horizon and see how other people, chase their dreams. But the thing is, after you come home, right, a lot of these folks are in Europe or, just different parts of the world. And, if you think about it, 10 years from now, who are the relationships I want to still maintain and keep? So one of my really dear friends who is really strong in relationship building, I asked him, how do you keep in touch with people? How do you stay in touch with the people that you want to stay in touch with? And long story short, one of the things that he told me that was helpful was finding a very simple way to send your appreciation and keep it warm and heartfelt. And the easy way to do it, or I guess not easy, but the simplest way to do it is to leave voice messages when you're just thinking about them and just send appreciation. In fact, one of them's calling me right now. I just sent a voice message. Morris, how are you?
I said, you're worth a phone call.
Wait, what, Morris, just real quick. What was that voice message? How did that land for you?
Very nice. Better than a text. And I think on your end, it's nice to send. It's nice to hear someone's voice. I think it was a nice thing to get. If that's what you're asking.
Yes.
It was very well received. It was warm, thoughtful, and I think it's better than a text. That's my humble opinion.
Hey, Morris, I'm gonna give you a call right back. All right.
Cool. Take care.
Take care. Bye. So you can't plan it better than that. I've just been thinking about a lot of people and the people who've made a difference, and it's not just people who have you won something from. It was just literally a lot of people in my life who made an impact, personally, spiritually, and I just want to send my love to them. And it's very simple. I'll give you an example of one thing I just did. One of my buddies was like, "Merry Christmas just now. You should come hang out in LA. Come over and and I mean, it's just sending love." So I'm gonna pick someone randomly and I'll give you just an example of how simple this is. Alex, haven't had yet. Yo, Alex, it's Irwin here. I want to wish you a very Merry Christmas, or excuse me, in your case, Happy Hanukkah, or otherwise, a Happy Holiday. It was amazing traveling the world with you, getting to know you. Congratulations on your new relationship. I'm excited to hear. Are you still in the Bay Area? Because I still, I haven't hung out with you since the Russian baths, and want to make sure we, just stay in touch, man. I love you. Have an amazing 2019. Take care. Love you, brother. And that's it. Click send. 30 seconds. 30 seconds is all it takes. And I feel so what's really cool is I feel so much gratitude right now. And I just I'm reliving those moments with him, and it gets me into a point of really strong appreciation. And it's just one of those things that I'm like, wow, it's so simple. I think it just requires a little bit of courage and a little bit of thoughtfulness. But like Morris just said, you heard it from a person receiving it just now, not even planned, right? It's a very heartfelt way. And I learned this from one of my dear friends who's an amazing relationship builder. And he does this anytime he's thinking about somebody, anytime, not just in Christmas, like today's Christmas Eve. But I just want to send you that note. It's one of those little tricks that, if you are looking to build relationships and sustain relationships, it's one of those things that you just add it. 30 seconds makes that difference. You take them back to that moment. So hope you enjoy these tips. Just want to share this with you, and love you. God bless. Take care.